I have the new chicks out here in the juvenile pen, and I provided them with a dust bath with a mixture of some sand from the yard and DE powder. DE powder is considered death by 1,000 cuts for a lot of lice and small bugs and whatnot, and it's also good to keep the worms down from the chicks, little chicks getting them. They consume some and then they do a dust bath in it. So I'd recommend putting in your juvenile pen a DE. It's a perfect addition to the juvenile pen, and the chicks love it. They've all been in there. The two that are outside are two of the smaller ones. They haven't figured it out yet, but just added them in. But overall, all the bigger ones love it.